In order to more easily integrate the system into your room, we have a variety of color options available for the speaker, and we equip the speaker with 3 mounting ports for installation. There's an upper and lower HIRT connector on the speaker and on the rear side. With these 3 mounting ports, there's a variety of installations options available to you. Number 1, the speaker stand as we have it here. There is a center channel stand. There is a combined subwoofer speaker stand. And there are a variety of wall mount options where you can precisely tilt and angle the speaker. The speaker is not very heavy, so in case you want to take it out on the veranda for a party, there are some handles on the upper and lower side of the speaker for ease of transportation.